Hello, my name is Purushottam Kaushik. I head the Center for World Economic Forum here in India. It's called C4IR, Center for Fourth Industrial Revolution, where we mainly focus on how 4IR technologies are going to become or transform various sectors. Manufacturing is certainly a very big sector and very important sector for India, not just only for job creation but also for value creation. And this sector is going to get transformed with all the emerging technologies like AI, IoT, blockchain, and maybe many of the other technologies as they will come up. Now, one of the big theme of the event which I really liked was that uh, the ecosystem players coming in from different type of industries coming in here and then coming and discussing how possibly the future of manufacturing will look like over the next decade. Many of the amazing presentations that we had were also focusing on, like, yes, AI is one big underlying theme. Sustainability is another very big theme where every industry is looking at how maybe environmental friendly and how socially sustainable, how governance could become the key pillar. So it's sustainability and AI are the two very, very big themes. As a takeaway, I think we need to possibly look at many more such opportunities, especially in the context where the industry is going to completely get revisited, especially by the impact of the convergence of manufacturing technologies and then computational technologies. And that's the big theme which we should look ahead for. Thank you.